I'm Matt Kadnar from the Nebo team. I gave a talk at a conference a couple weeks ago on trends in the industry. One of the trends that I focused on was the rise of goals-based investing. Now, goals-based financial planning has been with us for quite some time. eMoney, Money Guide, Right Capital all do a very good job taking a client's financial goals and translating them into cash flows. The issue, we believe, has been on the goals-based investing side, which has not kept up. We're not alone in thinking this. Larry Fink has talked about it. Datos, Cerulli have both written about it. The lack of the connective tissue between the plan and the portfolio is increasingly becoming discussed in the industry. Now, a reasonable question to ask is, isn't all investing goals based? And the answer is yes, of course it is. The issue is that the prevailing paradigm for portfolio construction today is almost entirely risk based. A client comes into your office, you sit down, you build a financial plan, take that financial plan, set it off to the side, give the client a risk tolerance questionnaire. That RTQ is then mapped into a risk score, and then the client is mapped most often into the moderate model, the risk score, the Model 3 approach. But we believe we as an industry, from a goals-based investing perspective, can do better. And that's why we see more and more firms looking for the goals-based infrastructure that will power a modern wealth management firm. Now, the data for goals-based investing is clear if you look for it. Here, McKinsey talks about the rise of goals-based investing, predicting that will be 80% of the market by 2030. Accenture did a study. Affluent investors consistently rank access to customized investment solutions as a key reason for turning to an advisor. Or 79% of high net worth individuals are more focused on achieving their goals than they are beating the market. And then at Orion talked about the number one factor for advisor growth is delivering increased personalization, all clearly showing the rise and the direction that we're going with respect to goals-based investing. But we do believe we are in the early innings, and that firms that adopt a true goals-based approach build the necessary goals-based infrastructure to deliver on specific client goals. Well, they will have a significant advantage in the years to come as the industry basically plays catch up to what is an ever increasingly clear trend in the market. And that, of course, kind of powering goals-based investing, that really is the mission here at Nebo Wealth.